I'm a little afraid that my Walmarts might be getting rid of their fabric department. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and today I am bringing you part one of my mega fabric haul. Okay, yes, I did say I was cracking down on my fabric purchasing and I was going to do better. And we all know that I still have plenty of fabric to get wrapped around some cake boards, right? But I have to tell you this. So let me start by backing up a little bit. About 2 or 3 weeks ago, my husband and I were in Walmart and we noticed that there were like an abnormal number of Walmart employees throughout the store. Okay. There were people walking around and you could tell like they were managers or some type of supervisors, what have you. There were associates that I've never seen at that store before. They were scanning items that were already on the racks. They had their handheld little scan gun things and they were scanning all the tags. I don't know if it was for inventory purposes, if they're trying to crack down and see what they're missing. I don't know, but I've never seen anything like it and never seen anything like that done before. So that was first. After that, I went to the store to shop some fabric for my cousin because I'm making her girl some skirts. And I ended up purchasing some fabric, okay? So let me start with that. The first piece of fabric that I purchased was 2 yards of cotton spandex. And it is this here. And I purchased this because I don't have a lot of white items in my wardrobe, but I do need some white pieces. Not only that, the white pieces that I have made, I've loved the fabric, the texture, and the stretch. So when I saw this, I went ahead and grabbed it because I've used up most of the white fabric that I have. The other piece of fabric that I purchased was this like tiger, like leopard print something. There's not a whole lot of it. I think it was just about right at half a yard. But this is the fabric, and I love this fabric. I purchased some of this before, but I ended up using it on someone else, so there was not enough left for me to make anything with. But I kept seeing this fabric in Walmart, and I should have grabbed it some more then, but I didn't. And this is all that I was left with. This was half a yard of fabric. And about the only thing I'm going to be able to make with this is the head wrap. And that's okay with me because that is on my list of things to make for myself is head wraps because I do love them. I like to wear them when I'm having those lazy days, but I still want my hair to look done, you know, or if I just kind of want to jazz it up a little bit, you know. So I bought that. Now, on this visit, the associate, she was a little old lady, but she was so nice and so sweet. She told me that Walmart would be having a sale the following week on their fabric, that everything was going to be marked down. So check back like around Wednesday. Well, before I bought those 2 pieces of fabric, I'd already been in Walmart looking for fabric for my cousin again. And I saw this Paris fabric. They only had it in 1 yard cuts. I purchased this before like maybe 2 years ago and I really liked it. It's really cute, really cute. I made a circle skirt and I don't know where I went wrong, but I made it and it was too small for me. So I ended up giving it to one of my daughters. I've been looking for this fabric since then and couldn't find it. Then I found it in 1 yard cuts. And y'all, this fabric cut is $4.98 each. Now, I'm going to tell you, I bought 8 of these. So had I met this lady before this trip to Walmart, I would have waited because when I went back to see if the fabric was on sale, it was on sale for like $2.50 a cut, right? But hey, I was not going to leave this fabric because I've been looking for it and I couldn't find it. So I just went ahead and grabbed it. So of this one, I want to make sure I'm showing you the right ones because there's actually two different color schemes. So I got 4 of this one, okay, at $4.98 each. Then the next one I also have 4 of, and I hadn't seen this scheme before, but I knew I didn't want to pass it up. This one is also gorgeous, very nice. These colors are darker than the ones that I showed earlier, and I'll show you that just so you can kind of see how they are a little different. The colors, the items that are on there, even on the back, you'll see another part of the fabrics. But I love these. I love these. I think they are super cute. So I did go ahead and get them when I saw them. Then I purchased 2 more fat quarters of the music notes because I just like this and I think it's going to go over really well with the ideas that I have. Now back to the sale. When I got to the store for the sale, I was so shocked. Like, they had, not all the sewing stuff was on sale or marked down, but some of everything was marked down, like from the buttons to zippers to needles, batting, muslin, pre-cut fabric, fabric on the bolts. The only thing that was not marked, well, I'm not going to say the only thing, but their bundles were not marked down because, of course, they're already selling those to you at a discounted price. So I said there's one of two things going on. Either they are preparing to get rid of their fabric department or at least size down pretty reasonably, or they are trying to get rid of some fabric and bring new fabric in, because to be honest with you, they don't have the best selection of fabrics on the boat. All of the good fabrics that they did have are gone, and the ones that I still see there have been there for a very long time, and like nobody's touching them. Now, one lady, there was another customer there, and she bought like 4 or 5 bolts of fabric, and the lady that was cutting the fabric had to walk her up to the counter to make sure, you know, that she actually paid for the full bolts. And to be honest, she got them at a good price because it was $2.50 a yard for the fabric on the boat. So she pretty much got a really good deal on those. Not only that, some of the sewing machines were also marked down and on clearance. Like, I saw a couple machines that were marked down to $99 and one that was marked down to $199. And of course, those were pretty much gone. But trim, bows, ribbon, everything was marked down here and there. The Disney fabric, all of that. So let me show you what I did get at the marked down prices. So you just saw this print on this fabric, but I thought this was pretty neat and gorgeous by itself. So I did get 4 of these, and they were $2.50 each. And then also the fabric that I'm going to show you now was also on sale for $2.50, and this is the fabric that I'm going to use to make my cousin's skirts for her daughters. This one is a unicorn fabric, and I just thought this was super cute. I'm trying to make sure I show it to you the right way. Okay, and then there is this one with the hearts, and this pink with white polka dots. So pretty. Now, my husband, being the unique man that he is, he saw this fat quarter and thought that this would be awesome to make a bow tie out of. So I said, hey, it's your world. We're doing what you want to do. But this fabric was all marked down starting as low as 50 cents a yard. Okay. And I do have some footage that I'm going to pop in here for you. But I was just really shocked and amazed because, like I said, I've never seen anything like that. They've never had a sale or clearance on their fabric. So this was something different. I didn't get a chance to ask that associate, but we do have a friend that's a nice lady that works there. She's pretty much family or friend. We're always talking to her. She is very friendly. She is very nice to her customers. Like, everybody loves her. She's always smiling. She's always friendly, always talking. I don't think there's anybody that shops at Walmart that doesn't know her. Like, if you don't know Miss Vanessa, then you're not a true Red Oak Walmart shopper. So yes, this particular Walmart is in Red Oak. So if you are in any of the nearby cities or surrounding areas, check out this Walmart, because they do have this fabric on clearance and some other sewing things. So you can walk out of there with some pretty good deals, paying really much of nothing for whatever you choose to buy. So that's it for part 1 of my fabric haul. Hopefully you've enjoyed this haul and you've decided to subscribe. Make sure you have hit that notification bell so that you'll know when part 2 is ready for you to view. Yeah, part 2, because there is more. So until next time, keep sewing.